In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix slow download speeds in Windows 11. I'm going to assume that you've already tried the default things and they haven't worked, like restarting your computer or reinstalling drivers. So we're going to go to search and we're going to go to type in CMD or command prompt, and we're going to run it as administrator. Now we've got a few text lines that we need to type in, and I'm super lazy, so I just put them on a notepad. So you can either type this in or you can copy it from the video description down below. And for some reason my highlighting skills are failing me. And we're just going to paste this and press enter. Now a whole string of text information is going to pop up, but what we want to look at is receive window auto tuning level. And if that is set to disabled, that could be a problem. Usually it's what happens when you migrate from Windows 10 to 11. So we want to enable that with this text string right here. Copy that also down below and just paste it into the command, press enter. It'll say okay, and that's problem fixed. Hopefully that is all you need to do to fix your slow download speeds, if it is a Windows problem and not a problem with your router or your internet. Now, another thing that it could be, and maybe I should have started with this, is here in settings and network and internet, you want to click on, if you're using Wi-Fi, for me it's Ethernet. And here where it says metered connection, make sure that is set to off. If it's on, set it to off. Hopefully that fixes your problems. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.